Welcome to My Skills, My Future. In this live session, we are going to discuss some questions in RRB Group D paper, which was held on 23rd August 2022 in shift 3. Already in last live session, we discussed. In this live session, we are going to discuss some more questions in the same paper. Okay, right. See the question here. In a certain code language, a feeling is written as VVUOTMR. Okay, so feeling FEELING is written as VVU. Okay, OTMR. Okay, and heavily HEAVILLY heavily is written as ZVSEBOR. So how will fortune be written in that language? Okay, FORTUNE is written. If you see the code is what is the code is here? If you see that here, FU or opposite words. Okay, see here, FU or opposite, EV or opposite, EV or opposite. Okay, so in middle one, EV is there. Okay, so if you see that first place, first letter opposite is written in the third place opposite letter is written in the first place, and second is as usual. If you see here also IR is opposite, GT is opposite, MN is opposite. Okay, IR, GT, MN. So middle LO is opposite. Okay, right. Here also same. HS high school, A to Z evening, IR Indian Railway, boy, LO opposite. Okay, so here we need to write a middle one. So FUIRLO. Okay, what is the opposite of T? G. So here F ear, V ear, M. So ILUGVMF. Okay, so ILUGVMF. So see that which option is there with that code means, if you see that ILUGV, ILUG, okay, so ILUGVMF. Option 4 is a correct answer with this certain code. Okay, right. Next question. Right. See the question here. Number series question is given. Which of the following numbers will replace the question mark in the given series? Okay. Which of the number in the following option will come in the place of question mark? Here they given 12, 14, 31, 97, 393, and what will come in the place of question mark. Okay, right. If you see that what is the difference is here, so 12 into 1, okay, is equal to 12 plus 2. Okay, once again see here, so 12 into 1 plus 2. So 12 into 1, 12 plus 2, we get 14. Okay, right. Next, 14 into 2 plus 3. So 14 2s are 28 plus 3, we get 31. Next, 31 into 3, okay, plus 4. 31 3 is 93 plus 4, 97. Okay, right. Next, 97 into 4 plus 5. So, we get 393. 393. 97 into 4, 100 into 4, we get 400 minus 12. Okay, so we get 488 plus 5, we get 388, 400 minus 12, we get 388 plus 5, we get 393. Okay, right. So, next number 393 into 5 plus 6. Okay, just see the option, no need to multiply total number 393 into 5. So, just see options are having ending with a different number. So, 3 5s are 15 plus 6. So, the number ends with 1. Okay, once again see 3 5s are 15. Okay, so and add 6. Okay, the number ends with 1 as the correct option. Here we having the options, that is one is option 3, 1971. Okay, so or you can do like this, 393 into 5 plus 6. So 393 into 5, we get just off it 2 ones, 2 nines, 2 6. Okay, right. So by using itself, we can find the answer, that is 1971. So divide by 2, multiply with 10, you get the correct answer. Okay, right. So 1971 is the correct answer. Next question. Right. 5 houses PQ, PQ, R, S and T are located in the same colony. T is 40 meters to the east of Q. Okay, so direction sense question: east, west, north, south. Okay, so T is 40 meters to the east of Q. Suppose I am writing Q here. T is 40 meters to the east of Q. P is 30 meters to the south of Q. So, P is 30 meters to the south of Q. R is 40 meters to the west of Q. R is 40 meters to the west of Q. Q is 35 meters to the south of S. So, Q is 35 meters to the south of S. So, what is the question? In which direction or with reference to T? So, in which direction or with reference to T, or is west to T, or is west to T. So, option 2 is correct. Okay, or is west to T. Next. Alright, see the question here, 6 boxes. Okay, 6 boxes, A, B, C, D and E. A, B, C, D, E and F are kept one over the other, but not necessarily in the same order. So, here 6 boxes is there. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So, only one box is kept between B and D. So, there are 2 cases are there for that. So, only one box is kept between B and D. Suppose this is one case, only one box is kept between B and D, and here one more case is there. So, only one box is kept between B and D. There are 2 cases. Only 2 boxes are kept between B and E. So, only two boxes. Okay, so here also two cases, only two boxes are kept between B and E. So we get here also two cases, this is case 1 and so E B. So here also we get two cases, only two boxes, case 1, case 2, only two boxes are kept between B and E. Okay, right. So E is kept just above A. Okay, E is kept just above A. So we can write A is here, or we can one another cases A is here. Okay, right. So F is kept just above B. Okay, F is kept just above B. Okay, so we can write here F is kept just above B. Okay, so okay, right. F is kept just above B. Box A is not kept on the bottom. Sorry, box A is not kept in the bottommost position. Okay, A is not kept in the bottom most position means this is not correct. Okay, all right. So what is our question? Which box is kept at the top? If you see that, if you consider this is correct, okay, box A is not kept at bottom. If you see that here, E, A, blank is there, here B is there, and here we have, by seeing that here we have D is there. Okay, and here that one F is kept just above B. So here F is there, and one more pending, that is here we can write C is there. Okay, right. So by using this information we have written that EAF B C D. Okay, right. What is the question? Which box is kept at the top? So by seeing this information we can get that C, E is there at the top. E is there at the top. Okay, EAF B C D. Okay, next question. Right. Okay, right. See the question. In the given letter cluster pairs, the first letter cluster is related to the second letter cluster following a certain logic. Study the given pairs carefully and from the given options select the pair that follows the same logic. Okay, so whatever the question we solved just before, as here also same logic is there. So if you see that KP or opposite, okay, DW or opposite, IR or opposite, BY or opposite. Okay, here KP or opposite, DW or opposite, RI or opposite, BY or opposite. Okay, and here also U, N, C, G is given. Okay, U, N, C, G. So F, U are opposite, M, N are opposite, C, X are opposite, G, T are opposite. Okay, so here they given the opposite alphabetics. Okay, see here which option will start. So F, U, G, T are opposite, Z, A are opposite. So here Z, V is given, not correct. Okay, right. If you see that here D, W opposite, H, S are opposite, E, V are opposite, L, O are opposite. Yes, it is correct. Okay, D, H, E, L. Don't worry, high school, evening, L, O. Okay, opposite quotes, whatever, you must remember some quotes to remember the opposite. Don't worry, high school, EV, LO. So yes, this is correct. Okay, right. Yes. Next question. See the question here. Okay, the position of how many letters will be remain unchanged if each of the letters in the word quality. So Q, U, A, L, I, T, Y. Okay, so the position of how many letters will remain unchanged if each of the letter in the word quality is arranged in alphabetical order. So what are the first letter here? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, and here one letter Y. So this is the arrangement of letters of quality in alphabetical order. Okay, so A, I, L, Q, T, U, Y. So only one alphabetical letter doesn't change, remain a constant. Okay, so only one. Option 3 is correct. Option 3 is correct. Okay, right. Shall we move to the next question? Right, see the question here. A shopkeeper sells 35 kg sugar for every 40 kg. Okay, a shopkeeper is selling 35 kg of sugar for every 40 kg using false white. Okay, so he is saying that I am selling 40 kg of sugar, but he is giving 35 kg. Okay, how much percentage profit does he make it sells sugar at cost price? So the question is they are giving 35 kgs instead of 40 kg, and they are saying that I am selling the product with actual cost price. So they are taking the cost price of 40, okay, but giving 35 kgs. So here the profit is equal to 5 kg. Why? Because he is taking 5 kg less white. He is giving 5 kg less white. So profit by cost price, but you are taking, this is the cost price for 30 kg. Okay, understood? He is taking 5 kg profit out of 35 into 100%. 5 ones, 5 sevens, 100 by 7. 7 ones, and here the 7 fours, 28, and 2 is there. 7 twos, 14. Okay, 14.2. See the option. Only one option is there, 14.28%. Option 2 is correct. So once again listen. So they are getting 5 kg profit, but they are taking the price of selling price the 40 kg. Okay, so right, what is the percentage of profit? Means 5 by 35 into 100%. Why I am taking 35 in the denominator means the actual cost they are giving 35 kg. Okay, the actual cost of 35 kg is 35. Okay, 5 by 35 into 100% we get 14.2. Okay, right, next question. See the question here. 4:8 as 8:32 as 12:, question mark. What will come in the place of question mark? See here, what is the logic is here. So first number into first number divided by 2. 4 into 4 by 2. So 4 by 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8. And here see that first number into by 2. So 8 by 2 is 4, 8 4s are 32. Similarly, 12 into 12 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 6 are 12 6 are 72. 12 6 are 72. So what is the logic is here? First number multiplied with half of the first number. So first number multiplied with half of that number. So first number multiplied with half of the first number. Or first number is multiplied half of the first number. Okay, right. So here we get 72. Option 1 itself correct. Okay. Right, here one more question is given. 15 is to 180 as 17 is to 204 as 21 is to question mark. What will come in the place of question mark? Okay, if you see that here, if you seeing that 15 tens are 150, 15 twos are 30, 150 plus 30, 180. So first number into 12, 15 into 12 we get 180. Okay, right. So here also 17 tens are 170, 17 twos are 34, 170 plus 34 we get 204. So directly 17 into 12 we get 204. Okay, right. Here also 21 into 12. So 21 into 10 we get 210, 21 twos are 42, 252. Okay, so 252. 252. Okay, right. See the question once again. So first number into 12. Okay, so 15 12s are 180, 17 12s are 204, 21 12s are we get 252. So option 1 is correct. Option 1 is correct. Next question. Right, see the question here. In a parallelogram, two adjacent sides are in the ratio 3:2. Okay, in a parallelogram, two adjacent sides are in the ratio. Suppose this is the parallelogram. Okay, so here 3x is there, here 2x is there. The side is here 3x, here 3x. So we can write 3:2 is the respective ratio of adjacent sides of parallelogram. And the perimeter is 65 centimeters. Okay, what is the perimeter? Sum of all the sides. So here 3x, here 2x, here 3x. So 3 plus 2 5, plus 3 8, 8 plus 2 10. So perimeter is 10x, 10x is given 65 centimeters. So x is equal to 6.5 centimeters. Okay, right. What is the question? The length of each of two shorter sides of the parallelogram. What is the shorter side? 2x is the shorter side. So what is the x? 6.5. So 2x is the shorter side of each shorter side of the parallelogram. So we can write 2 into 6.5, we get 12 plus 1, 13. 13 centimeters is the shorter side of the parallelogram. Okay, right. If you see that, the option 4 is correct. So once again see the question. In a parallelogram, two adjacent sides are in the ratio 3:2. So I am taking two adjacent sides, 3:2 I am taking, that is 3x is to 2x. So total sides is equal to nothing but perimeter. So total 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 2 10. 10x is equal to 65, x is equal to 6.5. So we get we need to find the shorter side length. Okay, 2x is equal to 2 into 6.5, we get 13 centimeters. Okay, right. Next question. All right. See here. Which of the following terms will replace the question mark in the given series to make it logically complete? So before going to discuss the question, I will write the alphabets. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so here they given 8G, comma 14C, comma 20Y, comma 26U. Sorry, here the mistake is given. There is no O is there. Okay, all right. Okay, here 26U is there. Right. Okay. So see here, if you see that here to here, so plus 6, 18, 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 6, 20, okay, 14 plus 6, 14 plus 6, 20, 20 plus 6, 26, okay, 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 6, 20, 20 plus 6, 26, 26 plus 6 we get 32, okay, 26 plus 6 we get 32, but here there is some alphabets are there, G, C, Y, U. So they are getting back certain number. See here G is there and next letter is C. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. Okay, right. Next letter 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here 4 is there. Okay, and next letter 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next letter 1, 2, 3, 4. So G, C. See here 1, 2, 3, 4. C is there, and C to Y 1, 2, 3, 4. And here to here 4, and here to here 4. We can write that 32 Q is there. So option 1 is correct. Okay, next question. All right, one more question is given on compound interest. A sum of money amounts to rupees 13,380 after 3 years. Okay, after 3 years, and 20,070 after 6 years. After 6 years, at compound interest compounded annually, find the sum, and we need to find what is the principal. Okay, all right. So see here, we know what is the amount formula when we are calculated by using compound interest, which is compounded annually. So amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. Okay, here they given amount for 3 years. So 13,380 is equal to principal into 1 plus R by 100 to the power 3. And they given one more amount is there, that is 20,070 is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power 6. Okay, I will give one example that the principal is 100 at the rate of 10% per annum. So we will just add 10%. The next year is the amount is 110. This is 110 is the principal for the second year. 110 is the amount is the for the first year. Okay, right. So if see here, we can write like this. 20070 is equal to principal. So this is the amount when we calculated for 3 years, we get this value. Okay, so 20070 is equal to principal. I am taking principal is 13380 into 1 plus R by 100 to the power 3. Okay, so after 3 years, this is the principal. Then based on this principal, we are calculating a rate of interest. Okay, so 1 plus R by 100 to the power 3 is equal to 20070 13380. Okay, just see that if the number is 14, if you consider that 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14, approximately value we get approximately 1.5. Here we get approximately 1.5. So this is the value. Okay, 1.5. Okay, so by calculating itself P into 1.5 is equal to, we can write like this. This is the value. So I am taking this is the value 1.5. So is equal to 13380. So P is equal to 13380. 1.5 can be written. I am taking 1 0 extra to the above. Okay, so 15 ones, 15 eights, 120. Here 138 is there. 15 nines, 135, and here 300 is there. So 20. Okay, principal is equal to 8920. Okay, so principal is 8920. Option 1 is correct. Okay, so these are the some questions which are asked in RRB. Okay, so thank you for watching.